Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I am your English teacher and welcome to Future Executives online classes. Today we will discuss unit number 1 activity that is on page number 13 that is relevant to grammar, and then we will discuss unit number 2 words meaning. Okay, so let's start with the activity. Page number 13. Learn grammar predictions with will. So what is prediction? A prediction is something we think will happen in the future. We can use will to make a prediction. A prediction is not a fact. Now let's start with our activity. Two of the following sentences are predictions. Write P beside them. Write X beside the sentence that is not a prediction. Okay, it means you will read each sentence carefully. If the sentence is talking about something that may happen in the future, we write P beside it. And if the sentence is not about the future, like it's just someone's wish, feeling or plan, then write X beside it. If a sentence uses will and tells what we think will happen, it is a prediction. And if a sentence talk about a wish, plan or decision, it is not a prediction. So the first sentence is, scientists will send a person to Mars someday. This is a prediction. Why? Because it tells about the future and is based on science progress. And the next sentence is, Eric wants to go to space camp next summer. This is a prediction? No, this is not a prediction. It is just what Eric wants, not what will happen. And the next sentence is, she will become an astronaut when she grows up. This is a prediction. Why? Because it tells what might happen in the future. I hope this activity is clear to you now. Now we will discuss our words meaning of unit number 2. The first word is astronomer. What is an astronomer? An astronomer is a scientist who studies stars, planets and space. So what is the meaning of astronomer? An expert of astronomy. And the next word is space probe. What is space probe? A space probe is a machine sent into space to collect information about planets. So what is a space probe? Space explorer. The next word is core. What is a core? Core basically is a midpoint of an object. For example, we can say it is a center of an object. So what is the meaning of core? Center. The next word is gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is the force that pulls things toward each other and it keeps us on the ground. So what is the meaning of gravity? Gravity is force of attraction. The next word is orbit. What is orbit? Path of planets. And the next word is matter. Anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Distance. What is distance? Length between two points. Then the next word is diameter. Diameter means width. The next word is surface. Surface means top of water. And then craters. What is crater? Hollow. And the last word is unique. Unique means special. I hope you understand these meanings and thank you for watching this video.
Future executive school built on vision, values and belief.